Hey guys, how's everyone today? Here we are on Thursday, just getting my chart up to date, up to scratch. The London session has started 1 hour ago, and sometimes it's 1 hour after the opening you can get a good move. I'm here every day, Monday to Friday, at the same time, almost every day. I wasn't here yesterday, so I thought I would pop in today. And let's have a look at what's going on. This is gold, XAUUSD on the 10-minute time frame. And we had a high today of 45.27. And we haven't been above, and we haven't been around that 4,500 price for about 6 weeks. But as you can see, we had a good run up yesterday, all day yesterday. What was that? From the low up to the high was a $200 move. 2,000 pips. Started early in the day and then just went sideways most of the day. As you can see here, went sideways. Well, I keep resetting my chart. But yesterday was a massive move, mostly based on the news that came out around an hour and a half before Wall Street opened regarding the Treasury bonds. And that was good for gold, bad for the US dollar. Hello Alex, how are you doing today? So just reset my chart here. We're working at a pretty tight range, very tight range. I need to zoom in on this a little bit here. It was a good drop down from the this is the Shanghai Singapore opening, and it started to go bearish. I took a little bit of a trade here, but then I thought it was going to reverse, and it didn't. So I got a little bit of profit in here on this first 10 or 15 minutes. But then it continued down to 44, what's that, about 44.77. And then it's just kind of been whipsawing around. A lot of whipsaw. So no real clear direction today, just a little bit of a retracement after that big move yesterday. But I think we might see higher prices today. Maybe it'll take out the previous day high, which is 45.24. I don't think we'll go to the previous day low. That's where the liquidity pool is, but way down there, way down the bottom of the chart. 43.24 was our low yesterday. 43.24, unbelievable. What a massive drop that was yesterday, $200. So we've been in a tight range today between 45.27 and 44.77. About a $50 range today. Not much for gold. Not a big mover for gold. Yeah, I'm doing good. Had one small trade this morning. And we'll go over and look at NASDAQ, eh? As you know, I have a buy trade open on NASDAQ. Let me just look over at the, well, I did have a buy trade open on NASDAQ. My stop loss has just got hit just a minute or two ago. So I'm not in that buy trade anymore. It just hit my stop loss just a few minutes ago. I went long earlier in the day. me try and adjust this. Well, I won't adjust that trend line just yet. I'll just leave that. So very tight range for the previous day high and previous day low on the NASDAQ, but it looks like we're going to lower prices. I can at least adjust that one. And oil, oh, okay, oil is going up. Wow. It's busted above $85, coming down a little bit now. And DXY is probably going down. Yep, continues to do not very well. In fact, if we look at the 4-hour chart on the DXY, we're seeing a continuing decline, continuing decline. The US dollar not doing very well. But gold is doing very well, as you can see, continuing acceleration. So I think we're going to see higher prices on gold. And yeah, Alex, the stop loss got hit on. It was looking really good there about a half an hour ago, and then it just did a complete flip flop. Hey, Raj, we're just talking about the Nasdaq. We both got stopped out on that. It was looking really bullish there for a while. I had a couple $100 profit, but now it's come back and hit the stop loss. Oh, well, it happens sometimes. Nothing we can do. And what's it doing now? Yeah, this one right here. I think my stop loss was right about there somewhere. Came down, hit the stop loss, boom. Looking really good about an hour ago. Never mind. We'll come back in the New York session and see if we can recover that loss. Haven't looked at the. I looked at the competition when I got up this morning, and it looked like Raj is making a recovery, but I haven't checked it in the last. I haven't checked it for about 5 or 6 hours. It looks like when I looked at it, it looked like Igo is going to win that competition, but it's still early. We have today and tomorrow. See what happens. Oh, you're down again. Okay. Let me go over and have a look at that. If I can find the link. Just give me a minute. It's opening up now. And let's have a look at the leaderboard. Oh, Igo is losing his money now. He was up a lot last night when I went to bed, but he's down a lot now. So we all still have a chance. Okay, yeah, well, I think, let's see. Yeah, okay. And who's in second place? Alex is still in second place. I think Alex hasn't been trading in the competition today. That's the same as it was this morning. And then I need to take some trades and see if I can get back up there into the right side of the chart. I want to at least get up there to second or third. I got trapped in a lot of sideways noise yesterday. In fact, it was worse than what it is now. It was really worse. It was really bad yesterday. But then Was able to catch some of that gold trade after the news a little bit. I caught a little bit of that, and I don't know who Bluefin is. I think that's Howard. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm gonna give it another shot today and tomorrow and see if I can get back into the positive territory. I was I just got trapped in. I started off real good yesterday, but then I got trapped in some sideways trades and just got all you know. So you know how it is. You just start taking one bad trade leads to another bad trade leads to another bad trade. Oh, Alex is just going to go all in. Okay. Yeah, I was doing good the first day, but then you just have some of those days, it's kind of weird. They just creep up on you when everything that you know goes out the window. And I went a little bit farther than I normally would because knowing it's a demo account. But anyway, me and Alex have been talking about some ideas for the next competition next month, and I think I'll try to come up with a cash prize for that one, and we'll make it a little bit more challenging, where it's not so easy for some guy to just take one lot and make $20,000 in 2 hours. We'll make it more challenging. Well, I tell you what, Alex, you have a good chance. You have a good chance. I've seen what you can do. Don't give up. You have all day tomorrow, all day today, and all day tomorrow. You can do it. So, not much going on with this top of the hour opening with London. And do we have any news coming up today? Probably a little bit. There's not much news this week. Let's see what we've got. Let me check investing.com. Okay. Oh, we got the no, Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. That doesn't usually have much impact. And the initial jobless claims. That'll have a little bit of a knee-jerk reaction, but nothing long-lasting. So nothing really serious tonight on the news. It just all kind of depends on how things continue to develop in the Middle East. That's the driving force. That is our driving force right now. We just have to stay aware of that. But with that news on the Treasury bonds yesterday, which is not good for the US dollar, now $40 trillion in debt, that's good for gold as a safe haven. So we could start to see higher prices on gold. We haven't been at 4,500. We got there last night. We haven't been there for 6 weeks. We go back and look on let me change the chart here so it's a little bit cleaner. Go back and look at the H4 chart. Yeah, we've been having a nice bullish run here, eh? Ever since 31st of July, it kind of started right here. Nice bullish run, eh? Steady, steady. Just had that one big drop here, and another pretty big drop there. But overall bullish ever since the end of July. So 4,500, that was way, way long time ago. When was that? That was back over here. That was the 1st of June. We were at 4,500. And then we've been seeing a big drop, a lot of consolidation, and now you could say filling the gap. So we could go on up to higher prices. There's 45.97 or 4,600 we could be looking at very, very soon. If we continue this bullish run, I believe we will. Okay, now they're starting to do something a little bit here. Get rid of that lower. Now my chart looks a little bit cleaner. Let's see if I can get a trade in here. 10 minutes after top of the hour. And that's not right. Yeah, another minute and a half on this candle. And we're at 44.96. So if I go long on here, go long here, I would be looking for the previous day high, 45.24, and put my stop loss at 44.86. But still early. I think today I would rather wait for the New York session. I think this is going to be more consolidation, but you never know. I could be wrong. But last night that New York session was something awesome, unbelievable. That was great. British don't like Nasdaq. Oh man, what's going on? Wow, it's absolutely not what I thought it would be doing today. Hmm. Okay, never mind. And oil. Oh, wow, $86, almost $86. Is getting higher prices. Usually it peaks out around 85, right, Raj? Kind of caps out there. Let's see if it keeps going today. Gold falling back. Yeah, I think this is what I'm going to see most of the day today. Kind of consolidation until the New York session. Let's see. Let's just see. You're not holding WTI. Okay. You got out after so many rejections. Okay. It's not easy trading oil. So much manipulation. I'm not, I don't, I just watch it go up and down. I don't trade it. I have enough trying to trade gold and NASDAQ. Anyway, not too much going on, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and make this a short one today. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. And of course, I will see you again tomorrow. And thank goodness it's Friday tomorrow. The weekend coming up very, very soon. So you guys have a good day wherever you are, and I'll see you in the challenge, in the competition.